you on the Fast Track Defense channel. In this video, I am going to tell you about NDA 148 SSB call-up letter. As you all are aware that date selection link for NDA 148 SSB had come around 3 days back, and many of you have already selected the date. So in this video, I am going to tell you about from where to download the call letter, and if you haven't filled the bank details and journey details, how to fill. And many of the candidates are still confused that call letter will come by post or it will come by email, and they will have to take a hard copy of that and they will have to fill. But still, if no call letter is coming through mail or coming through speed post or any other way, there is an alternative that you can download the call letter from the Join Indian Army website. In this video, I am going to give you a complete demo of how you can download the call letter and what are all things to fill. Stay tuned in this video till the end. So share this video to all of the friends. So friends, before moving ahead, I would like to ask an important question to all of you, and the question which is appearing on your screen is, who has been named as the new brand ambassador of Bata India? And this question was recently in news. So here options are: option A Shraddha Kapoor, option B Disha Patani, option C Alia Bhatt, and option D Ananya Pandey. If you know the answer for this question, pause the video, go on to the comment section and write your answer in the comment section below. I will give the answer for this question in the end, and stay tuned in this video till the end, because I am going to tell you about NDA 148 SSB call-up letter in detail. If you are preparing for NDA 1 2022 examination, you can visit our playlist. There I have made a separate playlist for NDA and CDS 1 2022 current affairs, and those current affairs are very much important. It will help you in your NDA and CDS examination. सो फ्रेंड्स, आगे बढ़ने से पहले आप सभी के लिए एक इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट आया है अनअकैडमी की तरफ से। अपडेट यही है कि अगर आप NDA 1 2022 की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं तो अनअकैडमी आपके लिए लाया है पैंथर क्रैश कोर्स, जो कि 9 जनवरी से 30 मार्च तक होने वाला है। और यहाँ पे आप लिस्ट ऑफ एजुकेटर्स भी देख सकते हैं, जहाँ पे आपको कंप्लीट सिलेबस कवर कराई जाएगी। सिमिलरली अगर आप MNS की प्रिपरेशन करना चाहते हैं अनअकैडमी के साथ, तो यहाँ पे भी आप लिस्ट ऑफ एजुकेटर्स देख सकते हैं, और ये 9 फरवरी से 5 अप्रैल तक चलने वाला है। कंप्लीट 60 डेज क्रैश कोर्स नाइटिंगेल MNS बैच। यहाँ पे भी आप लिस्ट ऑफ एजुकेटर्स देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे भी आपको कंप्लीट सिलेबस कवर कराई जाएगी। उसके बाद अनअकैडमी आपके लिए लाया है आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन, जहाँ पे आपको प्लस का फायदा तो मिलेगा ही, प्लस आपको इंडिविजुअल मेंटरशिप भी मिल जाएगा अनअकैडमी के तरफ से। और यहाँ पे आप प्राइसेस देख सकते हैं 6 मंथ, 12 मंथ और 24 मंथ प्लस और आइकॉनिक दोनों के। तो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप NDA का प्लस का सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि अभी NDA के सब्सक्रिप्शन पे प्राइस हाइक होने वाला है, तो यहाँ पे आप प्राइसेस देख सकते हैं 24 मंथ, 12 मंथ, 6 मंथ, 3 मंथ और 1 मंथ के। ये प्राइसेस आपको कंप्लीटली पे नहीं करने हैं। पे करने से पहले आपसे एक रेफरल कोड मांगा जाएगा। उस रेफरल कोड में आप सिंपली FD10 टाइप करेंगे तो आपको 10% का एडिशनल डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा अनअकैडमी के सारे कोर्सेज पे। और अगर आप एयरफोर्स, नेवी या फिर कोस्ट गार्ड की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ भी आपको कंप्लीट प्राइसेस पे नहीं करने हैं। पे करने से पहले आपको एक कोड मांगा जाएगा, यहाँ पे आपको FD10 टाइप करेंगे तो 10% का एडिशनल डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा अनअकैडमी के सभी कोर्सेज पे। और इस दोनों कोर्स का लिंक मैंने वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिया हूँ, आप वहाँ से जाके अनअकैडमी के साइट पे रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं। So friends, coming back to the main topic of this video regarding the NDA 148 SSB call letter and how to download. So firstly, you will have to open Google Chrome in your phone. Once you open the Google Chrome, you will have to search Join Indian Army. Once Join Indian Army, it will come. You have to click on that and it will be directed to the main page of Join Indian Army website. As you can see, Join Indian Army official site, joinindianarmy.nic.in. This is appearing on your screen. You will have to click on this website. Once you click on this website, this kind of interface will appear on your screen. Here you will have to put the captcha code which is coming above. So here the captcha code says 8442955. So once you enter into the website, then this kind of interface will appear on your screen. So this is the official website of Join Indian Army, and here only I am going to tell you how you can download the NDA 148 SSB call letter. As you can see that I am scrolling up and you are seeing the official website of Join Indian Army site. So this is the official website. So here you will have to come down in the end and come to the right side, and in the end you will see here a section of download. So simply if you have to click on the section of download button. Once you click on the section of download button, this kind of interface will appear on your screen, and in this interface only you will see the call-up letter for NDA 148 course. Here all the call up letter for Allahabad board, it is mentioned here, and after that all the call up letter for the Bangalore board, after that all the call up letter for the Bhopal board, similarly Kapurthala board, then for the AFSB Dehradun board, then Mysore board, Gandhinagar board, Varanasi board, Guwahati board, Kolkata board, Visakhapatnam board, and means all the boards which are conducting SSB, beat Army, Navy or Air Force, all the call up letters are here. So if you see here, the first call up letter in the Allahabad board, that is call up letter for Selection Center East Allahabad for NDA 148 course, and this is the link of the call letter. Once you click on this call letter, automatically your call letter will be downloaded. As you all are aware that if your center is Allahabad, then you will have to fill up the call up letter for Allahabad board only, and if your center is Bhopal, then you can download your call up letter from here. You can see here call up letter Selection Center East Bangalore Selection Central East Bangalore Army 148 course. Here is the link for the Bangalore. Similarly, you can see for the Bhopal as well Selection Center Central NDA 148 course. You can download from here for the Bhopal board. Similarly, for the Kapurthala board, here now for the Kapurthala board, this NDA 148 column letter has not come, but once it comes, it will be updated. Here only one more column will be added here for NDA 148 course for Kapurthala board. Similarly, if you have your SSB for the Air Force at Dehradun, Mysore, Gandhinagar or Guwahati or any other Air Force board, you can download your call up letter here. As you can see, call up letter for the one AFSB Dehradun, and here is the link. Once you click on this link, automatically your call up letter will be downloaded. Similarly, for the Mysore board, you can see here. For the Gandhinagar board, you can see on your screen. For the Varanasi board as well, call up letter is there. Similarly for the Guwahati board, and now for the Naval Selection board, for the Kolkata board, for the Visakhapatnam board, call up letter is yet to come. It will come and it will be updated on this website only. One more column will be added, so you have to regularly, at least in a day, one time, you have to keep on checking this Join Indian Army official website and the download section of that website. Here, if call up letter for Visakhapatnam, Kolkata or any other naval board, if it is coming, then it will be uploaded here and new section will be added. Call up letter for NSB Visakhapatnam for NDA 147 courses here. Similarly, one more column, call up letter NSB Visakhapatnam for NDA 148 course will be added, and here it will be the link. Same thing is going to happen in Kolkata board. So friends, I think now all of you are aware of how to download the call up letter. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt in the comment section. I will be ready to take up all your doubts. So this was the end of the video. I hope all of you enjoyed the video. Press the like button and share this video to all of your friends. So friends, coming back to the question which I had asked you in the starting of the video, and the question was, who has been named as the new brand ambassador of Bata India? These four were your option. Option A, Shraddha Kapoor. Option B, Disha Patani. Option C, Alia Bhatt. And option D, Ananya Pandey. And the correct answer to this question is option B, Disha Patani is the correct answer. So friends, this was the end of the video. You can watch our current affairs playlist as well by visiting the channel playlist. Thank you friends for tuning till the end. Thank you.